Yo, what's up mga dudes? It's your Roy and nagbabalik. Alright, so nakabili ako ng screen protector ng GoPro Hero 10 Black at saka nabili ko siya sa halagang 311 including the shipping fee. And tatlong screen protector ang i-install natin ngayon sa main screen, sa front screen at saka sa lens. Alright. What's inside the box? Two sets of every screen protector. Of course, para pag nagkamali ako ng install, so meron pang reserba. We have the wet cleaning wipes, the fiber cleaning cloth, the dust absorber, and also the guide stickers. Okay, unahin natin yung main screen sa pag-install. So guys, di ko pa natanggal yung transparent film ng GoPro para magbukang bago pa din. And first, we will use the wet cleaning wipes. So make sure na lahat ng area ng screen mapupunasan natin using the wet cleaning wipes. And huwag kalimutan na tanggalin yung transparent film ng GoPro. After wet cleaning wipes, gamitan natin ng fiber cleaning cloth. So make sure na walang dust na matitira sa screen or any particles sa screen. Para paglagay natin ng screen protector, swabbing-swabby siya. And of course, to avoid air bubbles inside the screen protector. Okay. Linisin ng maigi ang screen using the fiber cleaning cloth and also to make it dry. Guys, always double check kung malinis na ba talaga yung screen and be ready for installing the screen protector. And if you're not satisfied with the wet cleaning wipes and fiber cleaning cloth, you can use the dust absorber, guys. So, it's up to you. But for me, I'm okay sa dalawa. I think we're good, so let's install the screen protector. Huwag kalimutan na tanggalin yung transparent film. Etong side na to, ito yung lalapat sa screen. So sa pagtanggal ng transparent film, be careful para hindi mo mahawakan yung side na lalapat sa screen. To avoid dust, align the screen protector sa isang side ng screen. And pag na-align na, hold it using your thumb. And if you think the alignment is good, so you can now unhold the screen protector. Alright. At kung hindi maiiwasan yung air bubbles inside the screen protector, you can squeeze the screen ng dahan-dahan palabas. Check natin kung meron pang natitirang bubble sa screen. So dahan-dahan natin na i-squeeze palabas para okay pa din tignan yung screen display ng GoPro. Ayun, so I think we're good. So next natin is ang front screen. Same procedure pa rin guys. First, we will use the wet cleaning wipes and after that, we will use the fiber cleaning cloth. So, punasan ng maigi using the fiber cleaning cloth to make it clean and dry. Okay, so install na natin yung screen protector. And double check guys, kasi halos magkapareha lang sila ng sizes ng front screen at saka yung sa lens. So make sure the screen protector na i-install mo is fit talaga sa screen. Same pa din sa paglagay ng screen protector. Align first sa isang side and hold it using your thumb. If the alignment is good, then release the screen protector. Slightly squeeze the screen to avoid air bubbles inside the screen protector. Alright, I think it's perfect. So, the last one, the screen protector for the lens. Again, double check kung malinis na yung screen. So, kung hindi kayo satisfy, you can use the dust absorber. Kasama naman ito sa box. Then, don't forget to remove the transparent film of the screen protector. And sa pag-install, same procedure pa din. Align first in the first side and hold it using your thumb or finger. And if you are good to go, so unhold the screen protector, then slightly squeeze the screen. Yon, I think we're done. So, tatlong screen protector finished, installed. Okay, try natin iyon yung GoPro. Let's see kung meron bang pagkakaiba sa with or without screen protector. Alright. So, gumagana naman yung touchscreen niya. Okay, so we're good. Okay, yung main screen. Okay, try natin yung picture. Okay. Sige, try natin na mag-record. Clear naman. Same pa din. Walang pagkakaiba. Alright. That's all for today's video. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please hit the notification bell for more video updates. Peace! Yeah.